I finally got the toppers out on my website at long last. Here is one. This is the longest one. This is synthetic. However, this is high heat. You can do pretty much whatever you want with it, and it really does blend. The quality, if I told you that was real hair, never know. And it's for the fraction of the price of a real hair one. So, you know, look, I'm just chuck it on. I need to blend it, I need to cut it. It's not the same as my hair, but it does blend. If my hair was this length, it would just be perfect. Look at that. I want it to be more rooted. I want it to be darker at the top. So it's synthetic and I can't dye it. So what I'm gonna do is spray it. I'll show you the finished, can't get it off now. I'll show you the finished topper once I've cut it. Once I've cut her, giving her more rootage. So it's rooted, but it's not rooted enough. I like this root look. See, I'm leaning now with my own hair back. It's not grown back properly, really. It's still quite bad condition, and I've like still got holes. You know, in winter I loves me a wig, but in the summer I'm so hot, and I live in Mallorca. The aircon on all day, and if I go out, sweating. So this is the perfect, in summer I feel like I'm gonna do toppers in the summer and 4 wigs in the winter, because otherwise my ears get cold in the winter. Just wanted to show you. My toppers are on. Check out my toppers on my website. You will love.